Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMade Big Unique, and today we're going to see how to make or how to turn on the option available files will be available offline. If you turn on this, the file will not on stored on the cloud, it also be available on the offline on your mobile phone storage. This is used for your Google Docs mobile application, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to make the file available offline? If you are using the internet, you are connected with the Wi-Fi, you can just browse and you can use this. If the file you just want to make it offline, you just want to turn on this setting. So if I just clicking on this three dot, I just going to see what are the files I having in offline. Just clicking on it, you can see the option called offline. So every files are in offline. How? You just want to add this setting. Click on this three dot, click on the setting option here in offline option. Make the recent files available offline. Recent files will be automatically be made available for offline on this device. So you can just turn it off or turn it on by using this particular option. Click on this three dots, go to the setting and turn off or turn on the offline setting. So if you are working on the files in offline, and when you are in online, it automatically updates to the online. That's it. It's so easy and useful. So try to make your documents offline if it is useful. I think this video helped you a lot. If you're having any doubt, just comment below. I will make a video about it. We will meet on next video, which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Big Unique. Have a wonderful day.